Hi guys, welcome back to Rockin with Charlotte, and today we're going to play with Play-Doh Rollzies. I'm rockin', looking so cute. I'm rockin' with Charlotte and you. What? Oh, this is so cute. They got these little Play-Doh cups. But on the front, it kind of looks big. Guess they just fruit them down like this. And they build them like that. Oh, spatula. You definitely need this to cook. A knife. You need a knife to cook. And let's see. Oh. A waffle maker. You definitely need that to cook. Or whatever this is. The box smells like Play-Doh. I thought it was going to smell like cardboard. So these are the cars, guys. Here's one of the cars. Here's the second card. So this is the waffle maker, and it's just not a waffle maker. It has molds in it. You can make pretzels, lollipops, hearts, gummy bears, another heart, and some gumballs. Now, and here, there's a waffle cone, and you can make a waffle, or a waffle cone. Guys, let's get the baking. So, I'm gonna use this first card, and let's see, what do we need to make this? So first, we're gonna use this color. Now we just need to roll it with a rolling pin, or you can just squeeze it like this, but I'm going to try with the rolling pin. Here's my roll, guys. A little more in there. I'm just putting it in the little tube, and that should be enough. I'm using the orange one and some pink. Just need to get the pink out. I made a little shape with my button. That's cute. Okay, here's the cup. Now we need the icing. Going to make a waffle cake. Okay, let's put it in, guys. Ready. See, what does it look like? A waffle. I made a lollipop, guys. a pretzel, guys. Pretzel. Right now, I'm going to make a gummy bear. This is my gummy bear I made. So this is my waffle cake, guys. It has pretzels, a waffle, and a heart and a gummy bear. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. And I hope you love this video, and I think this video has been really good because all this stuff was so yummy. But don't eat it for real. And it was so good, and I give it 2 thumbs up, and subscribe to my video. Bye!